Today, we live in an era where every person has a small machine in their hand. As soon as we wake up in the morning, the first glance goes to the phone. At night, before sleeping, the last glance also goes to the phone. All day long, scrolling, swiping, watching. But the question is, after spending so much time watching, did we get anything? Did our heart find peace? Did our mind find tranquility? Did we find the purpose of life? Or did time just pass by? Yes, we do watch entertainment. We watch other people's stories. Someone's new car, someone's new wedding, someone's new house. We watch it all. But when we look at our own lives, it feels like something is missing. Something is lacking. The heart is sad because we forgot. Whatever happened 1400 years ago, we stopped reading it. Many people think that Seerah is just the story of one person's life. But no, Seerah is the complete history of Mecca and Medina. In it is the atmosphere of Mecca, how people lived, what they believed, how the first revelation came, how people listened, what difficulties came, what was the era of trials, the journey of Hijrah, that long and difficult path from Mecca to Medina, how the first mosque was built in Medina, how brotherhood was formed, Ghazwat, the battles fought in compulsion, Alwida Khutba, that final message for the whole world. Think about it. 1400 years ago, in the heat of Mecca, at night when everyone was asleep, a person would wake up and cry before Allah. He cried for this nation, for our hardships, for our difficulties. And today, we are in the same nation. And we have stopped reading his life, the person who shed tears for us, the person who stayed awake at night praying for us, the person who left his home, his land, everything for us. If we don't even read his life, what could be more unfair than that? I'm going to bring the complete Seerah series on this channel. The complete story of the Makkah Era, from the first revelation to Hijrah. The complete story of the Madina Era, from Hijrah to the passing. The journey of Ghazwat, Badr, Uhud, Khandaq, and everything. Each video will be 3 to 4 minutes long, in English, Arabic, and Urdu, with visuals, chapter-wise. If you also want to connect with your history, to understand that era of Mecca and Medina, which is our identity, then subscribe to this channel and share this video so that more and more people can know their history.